can ride our bikes in the rain.
Are you sure you want to go ride in the rain, buddy?
Yeah.
100%?
Yeah.
It's raining pretty hard.
Yeah.
We're gonna get pretty wet.
Well, I don't have rain jackets.
You're just gonna get wet.
Oh.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Oh. Oh. It's raining.
We're about a half mile into the trip. How's it going?
Good.
You enjoying the rain?
Yeah. Yeah.
Is this fun?
Yeah.
Okay, if you say so.
Good.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Are you wet?
Yeah.
Is it raining hard?
Yeah. Sometimes it is, and sometimes it isn't.
We're about a mile and a quarter into the trip. The rain really started to pick up and we're hiding underneath this tree until it lightens up. Huddy, are you having fun?
Yeah.
Do you like riding bikes in the rain?
Yeah. I want my yellow and orange bike.
Well, did we have fun on our rainy bike ride?
Yes.
Mwah. Guys, we had a blast. Hope you enjoyed coming along with us. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. We can't wait to see you in the next episode. Hey, can you say goodbye?
Bye.